Check in for 7 days in a row to get lots of gifts. Construction vehicle. Time to work! What jobs do we have today? What's happening?
There are so many gems underground, but we don't have the tools. The excavator can dig out all the gems. Can you help us?
No problem. Excavator is on it. Digging, digging. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Time to equip the magical item. Here is the gem! Let's start digging!
Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you!
It is just a piece of cake! Construction team, mission accomplished! The cart is rusty. Let's fix it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it. It's a dirty tool head. Change it. An urgent mission is here! I want to build a new house, but I don't have a crane. Can you help me build a house with a crane? No problem, I'll take care of it. The crane is ready. Let's go! There's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. Use the crane to build a house. Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. This house is so beautiful. Thank you for your help. I have a new house now. You're welcome. Construction team, mission accomplished. An urgent mission is here. I want to build a Ferris wheel in the amusement park. Can you help me? No problem. Leave it to me. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Let's push the dirt away and level the ground. Now, dig a hole for the Ferris wheel. Now use the crane to build the Ferris wheel.
Whoa!
Thank you! The Ferris wheel you built is so fun! that the construction team is all done. Let's call it a day.